guys, so good morning everybody. I am Rangana, coffee barista, working as a barista. So in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So let's move on to vanilla latte. So let's talk about vanilla latte and Irish latte. So this is our Irish latte. We use this for the Irish and this for the vanilla latte, and like in the previous video we talk about caramel latte. So like that, same as we make these coffee also like that. So let's move on how to make a vanilla latte. So remove the root handle, wipe it, no excuses. 7 grams of coffee grind. Tap and the second tap, wipe the ring, purge the group head, and we use this glass for that also, like same as caramel latte in the previous video I mentioned. And while it's extracting espresso, we steam our wheel. Extracting the espresso, we steam our wheel. So like in the previous video, you have to make some froth, because for the latte we put 1 centimeter foam. It's same as cafe latte, just adding flavor. We add some vanilla 1 pump, it's mean 10 ml. So just give a tap the milk and to break the bubbles, and let's pour. You can see it's mixing well, and this is how we take the latte art also. So this is how we make the vanilla latte. So it's mean according to the customer request, we can combine like vanilla pump and a caramel pump. So like that we can combine our flavors with the coffee, like Irish and the vanilla, we can combine. So like that according to the customer request. So thank you for watching our video. See you in next video. Subscribe my channel and stay touched.